In the heart of every decaying structure lies a story waiting to be reimagined. Adaptive reuse breathes life back into forgotten buildings, transforming them into vibrant spaces for community regeneration. Our project explores three critical questions. What benefits does adaptive reuse bring to communities? What strategies can be employed for adaptive reuse? And the final question, how can we design for a decaying building using these strategies? Design thinking is at the heart of adaptive reuse. It involves empathy for the community, defining challenges, ideating solutions, and iterative prototyping.
First question, can AI and design thinking help to expand the strategies of adaptive reuse? My answer is yes. AI and design thinking can significantly enhance strategies for adaptive reuse. For example, by looking at the AI algorithm can generate multiple design option tailored to the existing structure, considering sustainable and also functionality and cost. And question number 2, what are the benefits of designing adaptive reuse project for the community? My answer is looking on the social impact. It can revitalize spaces, encourage social interactive, inclusivity, and a sense of belonging among community members. Yeah.
All right, thank you.
Welcome.
I can look at lots of different data. So we can easily analyze how dissimilar buildings to our specific buildings are used, and then also they can also suggest new better ways for the users of this old building. And not only that, AI can also help create different design options very quickly.
Adaptive reuse is a testament to sustainable solutions. By blending heritage with innovation, we reimagine what's possible for buildings, for communities, and for the future. Communities gain numerous benefits from adaptive reuse: economic revitalization, cultural preservation, and environmental sustainability. A decaying building becomes a hub for innovation, a platform for community gatherings, or even an incubator for local businesses.